In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a pretty good VPN that costs $0 and is 100% free for Windows 10. So all you have to do is go down to the search bar at the bottom left and you're going to type in Touch VPN and then go ahead and click on the application and the Microsoft Store is going to open up, and when that does, go ahead and click Get. And then you can click no thanks on that if you like, and the application is going to download and install. Once it's done downloading and installing, go ahead and click launch. And Touch VPN will open. And to use it, all you have to do is click connect. And there you have it. This is 100% free, and like I said, it works great for Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, thank you for watching.